Powerful reflector telescope. The Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ telescope is a powerful reflector telescope for astronomy beginners. It features fully coated glass optics, a sturdy and lightweight frame, 2 eyepieces, a StarPointer red dot finderscope and an adjustable tripod. High-quality 130mm optics. The heart of the system is a 130mm glass optic objective lens. The AstroMaster mount features 2 slow-motion control knobs that allow you to make precision adjustments. Resolution: Rayleigh, 1.07 arc-seconds. Quick setup: lightweight frame. This telescope for kids and adults to be used together features a lightweight frame manual German Equatorial mount for smooth and accurate pointing. Setup is quick and easy, with no tools required for assembly. Height adjustment range includes mount and tripod, 812.8 mm to 1295.4 mm, 32 to 51. Included accessories: we've included 2 eyepieces, 20 mm and 10 mm, a travel tripod, and a StarPointer red dot finderscope. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Unbeatable warranty and customer support. Buy with confidence from the telescope brand, based in California since 1960. You'll also receive a 2-year warranty and unlimited access to technical support from our team of US-based experts. Top reviews from the United States. Well, I'm new to this stargazing, but what a great way to start. I bought a Barlow lens to increase the magnification, and wow, I can see Saturn and her rings, and Jupiter is stunning, and I can see 3 moons orbiting her. Looking at our moon is spectacular, and that alone makes this telescope worth every penny. The quality of the whole thing is great for the cost, and once you polar align the telescope, you really appreciate the equatorial mount. There was an issue with my StarFinder initially as it ran out of adjustment and was miles off, but I loosened the screws holding it to the telescope and pressed it, and it clicked into place and works perfectly. So if you get the same issue, don't give up on it, just do what I did, as it's easy for it not to be fitted quite right and easily rectified. Added a photo I snapped with my phone in my hand through the lens.